Hey guys, I just wanted to share this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So it's just hydrating lotion and it is in a glass bottle. So glass bottles can sometimes be a little bit stressful just because, if you drop them on the hard bathroom floor, they will shatter. But they are very pretty. So, it's sort of I have mixed feelings about the glass bottles. This is a very beautiful and thick glass bottle, so that's really nice. And I do really like, as I've mentioned before, that skincare products have a pump like this so that you're not like sticking your fingers over and over into a tub, and then that tub is kind of like gathering your germs and your bacteria over the course of many, many months that you're using the product. So, I mean, I've never had an issue with anything like that, but it is nice for it to just have a pump so that you have it all nice and sealed up. And it's just like this kind of like gel consistency, kind of a jelly consistency, and it's very moisturizing. As you can see, it's just very clear. It's not white, it's not whitish at all. So if you want to like use it under makeup or something, it's not going to have a white cast to your skin. And yeah, it's very moisturizing. It's very refreshing. And you know what I think it smells like? It's so funny. Well, actually, I asked my husband what he thought it smelled like, and he said he thought cucumbers. So, but he didn't know that the name of it was watermelon. So I don't know if I'm just thinking this because I know it's called watermelon or if this is really what it smells like, but I feel like it smells exactly like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Do you guys remember those? The watermelon Jolly Ranchers. The Jolly Ranchers used to be so popular when I was a kid. But anyway, this to me smells exactly like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, which made me wonder if they use like the same artificial scent, or I don't know, it could be natural scent that the watermelon Jolly Rancher company that the Jolly Rancher company used to scent their Jolly Ranchers. So yeah, I'd be curious to know if you guys think I also think it smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, and or what you think of this product in general. I know Glow Recipe is a really popular brand, and they have really beautiful products and products that work well. Yeah, have you guys tried any other Glow Recipe products, or what are you using right now as your facial moisturizer at night? This is just what I've been using at night. I haven't used it during the day. I usually just use sunblock, some sort of sunblock under my makeup during the day. And this is what I've been putting on at night. And yeah, I've been overall pretty happy with it. And I think it's going to last a pretty long time because it is pretty large. Actually, I'm not sure. It doesn't say how big it is, but I want to say it's at least like maybe 2 ounces. So I think it'll last quite a long time. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this product and see you next time. Bye.